it's Mimi. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we'll be going through numbers in Igbo. Make sure to like the video, subscribe, turn on post notification. Now let's begin. Today we're gonna run over from numbers 11. We're gonna start off from numbers 11 because yesterday we did 10, so we started off from 11. Don't worry, I'm not gonna go over the whole numbers in Igbo with you. Yeah, it's going to be so boring, but I'm gonna try to make it fun, and I hope you learn. So let's start. 11 in Igbo, it means irinotu. 12 in Igbo, it means irinabo. 13 in Igbo is irinato. 14 in Igbo means irinano. 15 in Igbo means irinise. 16 in Igbo means irinisi. 17 in Igbo means irinasa. 18 in Igbo means irinasato. 19 in Igbo means irinitolu or irinitete. Now 20 in Igbo means irinabo. Now 21 in Igbo, it means iriabo notu. So the 22, 23, you can put in the iriabo notu, iriabo nabo, iriabo nato, something like that. Yeah. So that's the whole 20 from 20 covered. So like 30 now, it means in Igbo, it means iri ato. Now you can, from 31, it's like iriato notu, iriato nabo, and so on. Now 40 in Igbo means iriano. Now from 41, it's iriano notu, iriano nabo, so on. Then 50 in Igbo is iri ise. Now from 51 is iri ise notu, iri ise nabo, and so on. Then 60 in Igbo means iri isi. Now you put in iri isi notu, iri isi nabo. Then 70 in Igbo means iriasa. So you also put in iriasa notu, iriasa nabo, iriasa na sato asa. Put in the other numbers in it. Now 80 in Igbo means iriasato. You go through it again like iriasato notu, iriasato nabo. That's 81, 82. Yeah. 90 in Igbo means iritolu or iritete. Remember yesterday we talked about the 9 can be called itolu or itete. So it's either iritolu or iritete. Then put in the other one, iritolu na otu, iritolu na abo, so on. And then 100 in Igbo means otunari. Yeah, that's 100 in Igbo. And then you fill in the remaining things, and then we have 1,000 in Igbo. It means otupuku. That's the meaning of 1,000 in Igbo. So that's the whole numbers in Igbo. I hope I impacted a lot of knowledge today. I'm hopeful that from now on you can say the numbers 1 to 1,000 in Igbo. Make sure to like, subscribe, comment, and turn on your post notifications. So whenever I come online, whenever I put in my videos, you can follow up, learn the Igbo, anything I'm putting, any updates and everything. This goes a long way, and you learn how to say the numbers in Igbo. Bye.